You will love the features of this 2023 Nissan Ariya. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, navigation system, sun, moonroof, backup camera, power liftgate, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, fog lamps, heated rear seat. This vehicle is waiting for you at the intersection of comfort and style. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.